Argumentative essay about teenage pregnancy. Writing an argumentative essay on the topic of teenage pregnancy can be a challenging task due to the multifaceted nature of the subject. Addressing the issue requires a comprehensive understanding of various aspects, including social, economic, psychological, and medical factors. Crafting a well-structured and persuasive essay involves extensive research to gather relevant data, statistics, and scholarly articles to support the arguments. One of the difficulties lies in presenting a balanced perspective while still conveying a clear stance on the matter. The topic of teenage pregnancy is often polarizing, and navigating truth-sensitive issues requires a thoughtful and empathetic approach. It involves delving into the causes and consequences of teenage pregnancy, exploring societal attitudes and policies, and evaluating the impact on the lives of the individuals involved. Moreover, maintaining coherence and logical flow in the essay is crucial. Juggling different dimensions of the topic while ensuring a seamless transition between paragraphs can be challenging. Additionally, addressing potential counter-arguments and refuting them effectively add another layer of complexity to the writing process. Furthermore, creating an engaging introduction and a compelling conclusion is essential to captivate the reader's attention and leave a lasting impression. Striking the right balance between factual information and emotional appeal is key to crafting a persuasive essay that resonates with the audience.